Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram suggestion when typing. So first thing first, you head into our Instagram and then you go to your profile. Okay, so you want to go ahead and click on this three bars at the right hand corner. Down here you want to click on your activity. So down here you want to scroll down a little bit to recent searches. Okay, so these are my recent searches. You can delete them one by one, or you can just click on clear all. Okay, so these are completely deleted your search history that will go back to our profile. So you want to click on these three bars again. All right, now you want to scroll down to the bottom that says help. Click it. Then you want to click on report a problem, first option. Now you want to simply click on report problem without shaking. Alright, so right here you can read this whole thing, or you can just click on include and continue. Alright, so the problem you want to report is, I'm going to type it out. This is the problem you want to report, and once you type it out, you send. Alright, so then you're going to click on send. So Instagram should get in touch with you back and the problem should be cleared. So if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.